A brand new teaser from XTRA provides an authentic look at the upcoming XTRA Muse 2 Pro, offering content creators a clearer understanding of the capabilities of this compact pocket gimbal. Rather than relying solely on heavily stylized marketing shots, the promotional material focuses significantly on nighttime scenes and low-light environments, scenarios that traditionally challenge or break compact camera systems. Based on the shared footage, the Muse 2 Pro demonstrates solid performance, rendering clean imagery with smooth gimbal stabilization and well-controlled noise levels in dimly lit settings. This performance level represents a significant advantage for producing city walk videos, travel vlogs, concert footage, or late-night content. Beyond visual performance, the teaser appears to confirm major technical specifications that place the camera in direct competition with established industry leaders. The Muse 2 Pro features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, a highly requested hardware component known for improving overall image quality and low-light gathering capability. Additionally, the device incorporates a dedicated 70mm equivalent lens providing a 3x optical zoom. This physical zoom configuration allows creators to capture tighter framing and preserve fine details without the resolution loss associated with digital cropping. Serious filmmakers will also appreciate the inclusion of 10-bit X-Log3 recording, a high-end feature that preserves extensive color data to maximize flexibility during post-production color grading. Among the leaked details, the manufacturer's claim of a 17-stop dynamic range is generating the most discussion online. If verified through independent testing, this metric would represent a monumental achievement for a pocket-sized camera body, enabling the simultaneous preservation of detail in both intense highlights and deep shadows. However, maintaining a realistic perspective is advisable, as this figure stems entirely from internal marketing materials. Definitive conclusions must wait until production units undergo side-by-side comparisons by independent reviewers. The hardware is also expected to include 103 GB of integrated internal storage, minimizing the risk of running out of space during critical shooting windows. For the United States market, reports indicate that pre-orders may open between late June and early July, with an official launch projected around mid to late July 2026. Early creator programs have reportedly commenced, suggesting that hands-on video reviews will surface in the near future. This timing is strategic, with many North American buyers facing uncertainty regarding the availability and launch window of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 or Pocket 4 Pro. XTRA appears to be positioning the Muse 2 Pro as a readily available premium alternative. While independent evaluations remain necessary to confirm these claims, the initial preview positions the device as one of the most compelling pocket cameras of the year. Share opinions in the comments section below regarding whether these specifications make the device a preferred choice over waiting for future competitor hardware. Remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay updated on upcoming technology news, reviews, and detailed product comparisons.